4, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys and girls.
Oh my
some hits now. They're smelling that $4,000 that's up for grabs if they can get first place here. Dang, there's a good hit. Yes, sir, they're driving like there's $6,000 in total prize money. Oh, good hit there in the southeast corner. Another good hit. Yeah, 173, push them into the corner. Oh, good hit there on the left side by number 7. Oh, look at that, spin him around. That's what we came to see. Another good hit, bang, jump him into the corner. That's it. Now they're playing like there's $4,000 on the line. That's it, boys. Hit them again. Another good hit. Whoa! Fans, this is what you paid your money to see. They mean business out here right now. They all know there's $4,000 to win. Dang! Oh! Four, 3, 2, 1. Have at it, boys. That's it. Oh, good hit right there. There's a good hit. Oh! That'll jar your kidneys. There's $4,000 on the line. Bang! They're not done yet. Oh, there we go.
Yeah!
Well, that's it, guys. Stop.
Over there screaming at Gypsy. Let's go, let's go. Oh, they did they? Yeah. Come on, he's overheating. Let's go, let's go.
Green flag, have at her, boys. Oh, looks like we're down to 2. They're going to battle it out here. Number 171 and number 173. We got $4,000 on the line. Oh, he's getting them into that corner. That's a bad corner. Can he get himself out? There he is. He's out. Bang! We're going to shove you back in there, bud. That could have been a fatal wound right there. Oh! Bang! We shove him in again. Whoa! Oh, he's going. Nothing like that. Oh. He's going to try and shove him into that bad corner. Man, oh man, hard to believe they're still running. Oh. I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen.
there. Thank you very much. It's always fun coming here. That's the way I want it.
I know, it was very good. Good job, Eddie.
I couldn't see him waving the stick at the end.
That's okay. That was a really good hit.
Hey, Renee. Hey, your mom's gonna want one. Here, let me get you one.
Get on the photo, Wade!
Here's the other one.
Get the chili
Zach, come
coolers.
down there in a second.
Bev, get the coolers. Get Zach though.
Can you get both of us?
Yep, I get. Yeah, just in there.
Okay, I'll come down and get one with you.